Before this total shutdown begins, me, my brother, and with some of his friends, we went on a road trip across Thankyou district to explore the beautiful greenery mountains and hidden waterfall. I mean, just beautiful. So hold your seat and let me take you on a virtual tour to the most hidden waterfall and the beautiful places of Thankyou. Chill, bro.
What's up guys, my name is Jamz and you are watching Jamz vlog. Welcome back to the channel. Actually brush tolo ida ngai buko. Dong sa sum yaram bane. Aduga ngasi je khoi da ga ala charu jai nai buko. Hadi ai don han a karang chalu do. Aga halak pare makan thok thok yum dei sum. Hadi ala pada manung dum na sin bai ware buko. Ngasi je khoi da ga ala charu jai. Ado chat pe pham je khoi dil dung hai nai buko. Ado asam mum ke nom ha ne. Kau thok re. And I'm very much excited, so let's go bro. Yaudo ba kena wali ba kilometer manga mu wali ba aduga kanu to kaya ba maming do Gamvet mo chan tone dik ko ai ngai khang de do maming Gamvet mo ba. So let's go bro. Yeah, let's go. Enjoy the video. And my brother is here. I'm gonna pee now. So excited to climb the mountain. Just look at this view, bro. Woo! Changli Wali. Let's go again. Go over there. I'll take this here. Ai ông khoai mình gạo đấy, anh tôi nghe gặp bạn như này mà tôi nhiều đấy, chiều nó gặp bé cả bọn này, tin gì không, tin dù rồi, tin làm nộp tiền, sao mà nó phải cho nó k래, rồi drone gặp bạn rồi, mình thấy rồi, and still back floating in light, 3, 2, and 1. Chaman le ba nungsa adu photo video ga amna kapam la hong khang de adu halani adu ga mapam ato pa ung chalu de ne ko waterfall adu gi kana khoi gum ka ngam le adu mi tala ga explore do je. So let's go bro, let's go enjoy the ride again. Bye bye. Kumak pani sum ko de pa ka mo ju tak pai da adu kumak pa da sini pa de khang sini pa de khang ye yang I just subscribe around me. It's very nice that people know me. I'm gonna subscribe to that. Got some video yang biar some I can be with. I didn't thank you so much. So, how you get to come from them? Waterfall ka jala e duga khoi mim go. Am jala e. Adum from them tell. Go, let's go. How you khoi lai je kai ne ba? Không đi xuống. Chưa khoi lai je kai ne ba? Sophie, this is Sophie. This is Sophie, bro. I always heard. Woohoo! I'm gonna today Mina partner explore the world, but we're hunting for the beautiful place and we're gonna solve it, bro. So keep subscribing. Woo! Point lazy, Holen Jang, Holen Jang. And you know, cloud it's crazy, bro. It's super crazy, bro. Myanmar actually about it. Oh, Myanmar actually Myanmar Woohoo! Bro, so I'm gonna show you something. See this view, bro. Lấy mát nên bảo nghe waterfall chưa không? Wow, bro. It's super crazy, bro. Come on, guys. Subscribe, bro. Definitely subscribe. I'm gonna travel a lot. The more you subscribe, the more I travel. And the more I travel, the more you will also travel. So, subscribe, bro.
I still remember. This was the moment that I feel so blessed with this beauty after staying indoor for so long. And I hope you will too. By the way, guys, at this moment, we still don't know that there is more waterfall above this, and this is where you will start losing your mind. So this waterfall is located in a village called Khoimol, which is in Manipur, Chandel district, right by the side of road near Myanmar border. And beside this waterfall, there is a hill with a lot of bee hips. As there is a lot of bee hips, the hill is also known as Bee Hill.
Clouds are over now. You might want to say bye-bye to this beautiful waterfall. So, this is it from this video, guys. I hope you have still liked watching this. If you did, press the like button, please. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye-bye. It's beautiful waterfall. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, peace.
By the way, guys, thank you so much for subscribing. Now 2000 people have joined our family, and I really want to thank you for your supports. If you like the video, please share to all your friends and family so that they can also feel the chill vibes. And I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, keep chilling, keep enjoying, and do not forget to subscribe, bro. That is a must.